What if administration is your weakness?
Hi, I'm Robert Niney, your spray foam advisor and the guy in the Hawaiian shirt. I wear the Hawaiian shirt as a symbol of freedom and flexibility, something that all business owners should want to achieve. You know how most SPF contractors start their business because of their technical skills, but they have no plan for growth? There's no consistency because decisions in their business are made on the fly. They are just trying to get through the day. And they are spread too thin because they do everything themselves. Well, what I do is help SPF contractors like that measure profitability, identify the key activities that drive success in their business, and create a game plan that develops consistency and growth. Let's get into it.
Administration is a big part of your business that oftentimes we don't know much about. We didn't start our business thinking about the legal side of things and thinking about billing and payables and accounts receivable, getting our money collected, paying the bills, and keeping the lights on. We really didn't get into business thinking about these things. We got into business thinking about our skill, right? Our natural capability, and that we can make money doing it, right? The administrative side of the business is often going to be a big component that we outsource. It's going to be a component that oftentimes we don't have enough work to justify dedicating internal personnel. We don't have a need to hire someone full-time, so when it comes to accounting or legal services, HR, human resources, we will often find ourselves looking for outside help. We're going to look for external personnel that can help us on a small-time or part-time basis. Maybe 5 hours a week or 20 hours a week is all we need for someone to come in and work on these components of our business. These are parts of the business that we are not experts at. It is often better to get other people involved to work with experts in these areas to make sure the work is done correctly. We want to work with experts, right? We don't want to do our own legal work. We don't want to write our own contracts. We want to work with a lawyer to develop a contract template that we can use for many projects in the future. The goal would be to work with a contract expert up front to develop a system for doing business that works for our company over a long period of time. On the accounting side of things, we're going to need someone to manage our books. We're going to need someone to take care of our accounts, our invoices going out, our bills coming in. Someone has to make sure that checks get cut and the bills get paid. Someone has to make sure that we're getting paid from our customers and that these transactions have to be recorded and the books have to be managed and maintained over the long term to make sure that the business is ready come tax time. How we structure our money, how we structure our finances, our financial management systems become very important to the health and operation of our business. If you have seen my other videos, then you may know that I'm a fan of the book called Profit First. It teaches a financial management system that I recommend to my clients. If you develop a financial management system for operating your business ahead of time, then you won't have any challenges when it comes time for things like taxes. Additionally, another benefit of creating a financial strategy up front is that when you are ready to grow, when you want to implement some type of growth plan and growth strategy, you know how much money is in your operational account to accomplish these growth strategies. On the administrative side of things, we have to be aware of our bills coming in and our bills going out. We have to be aware of the company's financial position, and we just want to make sure that we are doing things from a proper legal perspective so that we don't put ourselves at risk. It is really important that you have people helping you in these focus areas where you are probably not an expert, and the best way to do this is to look for outside help from experts. If you want help reviewing your business, discussing where you might need help, and getting my recommendations and referrals, and possibly even seeing if we are a good fit to work together, you can email me at robert@sprayfoamadvisor.com. I'd be happy to talk with you anytime. Like this video and make sure to subscribe here on YouTube so you are notified when we release future videos. And if a strategy discussion might be helpful for you and your business, you can book a call with me at spfbiz.com.